Hello everyone, welcome to one another short video with me Velani Jacob. Video with me today by me educational, let me one financial literacy topic where me talk about today. Mitala thank you you've always to watch lo any islands free lo Vanuatu no more Torres Kasemana me welcome you lo video with me today. Thank you for watching. Mo imino forget me too Mr. Lo another country, Mr. Lo Australia, New Zealand. Mr. Plo and Narvala, Pacific Island countries where you Mr. Tune in law video bring me today. You where you come or someone RSC worker where you return Mr. Lo quarantine, be welcoming you to law video bring me today. Today by me go through one topic where they call them capital budgeting. From say you stop law, you stop send them all RSC workers or they stop go overseas. When you start at goal, you come back, when you invest one business for you or invest one project to buy make them small return, you come back to you or small income, you come back to you with them family. You want them put them one topic with them you meet, you me one something where me sabe help him you me think around or some smart ways where you sabe make them business you me lehema. So no me a lot of workers no more you make at all retired people too where man where they start work services the government or the private sector where you start work for some number of years where you start look forward when you retire, when you got small funds where you want them retire with them. And maybe one topic where you discuss me about me will help him you me look you me save look eco for it lo or you must have study good one something before you must have invest lehem. You study good one business before you invest lehem. Topic today you call them capital budgeting. Capital budgeting. But you ask him, so Wanem me capital budgeting. So capital budgeting, I mean one process where all business or this usum blowly analysem one investment where they want them invest one project where one business you want to invest lehem. But by he must analyze invest time say project there, but he must have make him enough money out lehem or anyone lose project. Huh? So so you want to invest one so big company want to invest one project, but hemi look you want them invest the money make him say you got return out lo one where him invest them, but hemi look all different project where they start, but hemi start him good na say which one all project na but me invest them make him say me sabe karamon return out lehem or me no end up losing money losing one money where but me invest them but me lose. Huh? So I'll call them capital budgeting. That's to do with in business. Me want them you turn them around when you come law personal personal finances blame, yeah, personal management blame. Then you go work overseas when you may come back, you may get one small money where you may stop you may put them where you may want them invest one business lehem. Even you may work with Lebanese, you may want them retire, or you may want them say you may get one good for business where you may want them invest lehem returns may come back good you may want them want something where they make them business. Full of time, you may not start making good analysis. You may not start studying good first time. You may not think carefully around him after you may not weigh more cost, more benefits. Make him say sometimes all business you may start fail along the way, or sometimes you may carry one machinery where you want to use more business you may time life flow machinery go finish production. You may not most of it go now from say you may not been planning enough. Plan good capital budgeting blame, yeah. This may be plan good capital budgeting blame, but you may find them out say then business me machine we start generate them say production lo business blame them say is the whole block broke down, but you may got money step aside blame you may pay one out of the machine. Huh? So I mean all components where only make them up one capital budgeting blow blame, yeah. Blame one. So yes, I make capital budgeting. So for example, suppose you go to RSC, you come back after you got one, you pay one house, you not pay one house, sorry, you building one house, you make one nice little house. You make success stories, huh? Success stories where you make go lo RSC me come back, you may make a more improvement lo home you may make them you may pay more you may invest lo something where body generate them income you may like you got a boat, you got a truck. Sabla li karamol small something will have generate them income out lehem. The question behind we may run me should cut is that after we make a something else, so you may invest to make one house. Within the next 15 years, with my house by Hemiko or kapal stop erode after you may need to replace them, make a maintenance the house. You make got enough money we must put them aside for 15 years, you must have make them you must have repair them house, please me back again, all kind thing or same. All kind thing or same, you should cut. Before you may make a one project. Or then you may make a project finish, please me up and running finish. Now you must find them always now say, okay, this is not the end of it. Me garam track but in the next 3 years or in the next 4 or 5 years, but track but life plan finish so by life plan by finish by Wanem na pa me make them. We got enough money we must put to my side, look at some time by finish, but me pay back when you've one. Kind of same. When you forget that when you invest one asset you must pay back you want to from sweat you where you've been put on you've been put together asset in the first place. So one day we go through one calculation place here, one example. One day we go through one example, you may look after so you got one notebook you one pen or one paper, you have make one own one you one business where you want to invest lehem, you use way more cost, more benefits lehem, or something all cost more benefits, way more something all expenses you lo business ya, how much you come back lo business ya, you allocate them all budgeting capital budgeting for them Wanem where you start invest lehem say by him worth it, by him is it any really necessary you make them you can one retain come back lehem or no, or you still make one loose project. Okay, so me cut for a premier one small whiteboard me hope se pa me write lehem by you play is have a look one hour me write lehem by me make a small calculation me too along the way. So me want them you may make one example one Land Cruiser, suppose you want them invest one Land Cruiser blow island or blow around service no more port villa in port villa. Land Cruiser had me 5 million batu for the sake of this video. Land Cruiser life blame me 6 years. So 5 million life blame me 6 years. And say after the 6 years, but Land Cruiser you stop assuming say after the 6 years Land Cruiser by pakarap now by no makata by minute by one money one. Okay, so one thing you must think about when you make a capital budgeting view, and it is 5 million batu. You must pay back you one for sweat plea, you make them build them up 5 million batu. Then you run a business plea, you must think about it, but you pay back you one 5 million. Own money blue. But do something we think about within the next 6 years. Let's assume that tracker by me 5.2 million. Must put on aside 5.2 million per new truck within the next 6 years, right? But there is something forgot all administration cost blue. Cost plus fuel plus run truck. Cost plus driving truck plus making business. Cost plus maintenance plus truck. Cost plus part plus truck. Cost plus insurance plus truck or something else. So for the sake of this video, by me tell them say 1.2 you will allocate them for administration cost. And that includes all something I will make them track and work. Administration cost me. So in total, every something in total 5 million plus 5.2 million plus 1.2 million I mean 1 year no more you must times by 6 years. So 6 years by 7.2 million. 7.2. So total left one 17.4 for 6 years, right? And for 6 years. Amount here now 17,400,000 you must prepare in the next 6 years you must got money blow you have pay back you one, you have pay back one new Land Cruiser blue. Time when me pagarap, me service blue continue, business blue me continue. 17.4 million batu lo 6 years. 17.4 divide by 6. You divide them by 6. 2.9 million you make them 1 year. Per year. So 2,900,000 1 year. Divide by 12 months. 241,666. You may divide them by 12 months. So I mean 241 6 6 6 242,000. Let's say 240,000 around them off. So that you want them again business for Land Cruiser blue, or you want them say sustain for the next 6 years. You look out them could track blue, track and one risky business. You have a car accident anytime. Road blue me or you know good. Track is have a pack up quick time. You may tell 6 years, you may not have it might not reach 6 years from you make out the road conditions blue me. Anyways, that's something all the thing you must think about that you want to invest low on business, especially low side low truck transport. So I mean 241,666. So what the market blue, let's say for 242,000, you must make them low. One monies for 6 years, you have a pay back. You want 5 million batu, you have a pay back one more new Land Cruiser. Land Cruiser blue no good, more you have a continue to maintain and business blue at the same time. So that's the calculation where you have a showing you me. I hope you have a look sorry, this is a self-made video, but I hope me make him some clarity or make me clear or something. So then you look 242,000 you spend them or you not spend them, sorry. 242,000 you must income you and you must staple cement for the next month, following months, because in 6 years. But you look no more, suppose, is it worth it? You save karam 242,000 lo one manis lo make him market blue. I mean after you karam 200 for you earn him 241,666 per month. Suppose hemi good, but suppose hemi no stress. You think about all risks too. Lo one business we start make him after. Is it worth investing your 5 million where you go sweat from, or you invest in 5 million below one out of la business where you much more return blame much more better than this one. Okay, so and then we want to go through with them give me lo side lo capital budgeting and Mr. Mekem video ya blame encouraging me where you Mr. Save him big money or you Mr. work from save up to make one business blame. You must think very smart. When you want to make a more business really sustainable, you think very smart about it. When you think very thoroughly, you think long time, make a good decision for you. Please have invest in one business whereby me cut one good flat return, come back to you more family. Yes, I think I'm now a small something we want to talk about, the side block capital budgeting. And yeah, that's the calculation. Suppose you need him help, or you want to make him one calculation for you, or you need him help, or you may story and small, hesitate, talk. And also, you may one way you go through Leme, suppose you go make him own, you raise him own funds for you. Then you make him loan, and you want different something, but again, you must think about loan, and you come, I think, by any come inside the place, but you put them aside some money with loan, so instead you pay back you start paying back loan, you start paying back loan, and then and that blend by an interest you charge with them, which is another thing again, Okay, so I think no more me cut blow store handling with them aside to capital budgeting. Me hope video me clear, me hope me explain me clear, and thank you again for watching. And when we casting you next time back again with them one another topic, let me talk about the side of financial literacy. Let me help them you me with them one decision making or one thinking blue you me moving forward. Hopefully this video helps more. Thank you back again, Liu. That's everyone.